the 5 the famame me dey come and you plan I want any pa ko no wo na me say sending the message say 5 no kra no me tire mu mana easy one mommy MP 10 or so 50 on money per 10 te me no ka say we no be send me list of MP 10 no there I don't know
the office honorable Kweku Amprechum Sapon or a MP from Asante Mampong constituency and a former deputy foreign affairs minister. Honorable Amprechum akwa ba ekosi saying so ni.
Obi me me tia pa na me tia wati fu nya ewo asempa
na yes bibia ye boko de
o ya da ba ya bibia ye boko
okay
papa
information I had to Bontine say, and I think Dr. Baumi also reiterated that point. Say MPs are more in the office and then we a little over 66-0. But yeah. Pictures now, more and more room or say as a more about 20 or more matter away.
20 oh be Bolivar MPs
yeah.
We do one and the one more calling Dr. Baumi we were 60. Say yeah, good work. You're both 60.
Asante.
One more to me, a ballet. 60. Free. Nobody forced anybody. Nobody forced anybody. And I even say, and she a Pocosia of Parliament and a friend for any panel and the presence of Parliament and no mobile. When you're sorry, and you free Parliament. And I say a conduct about the office. Near the Naposia, near Papa declare your unflinching support and the man. Now, yes, you form a Papa your campaign so and the man. Because you're the unique Canadian. It will say any power, woman, you want to say, or person, or my MPP, you face a flag direction. As at now, dear, any power, woman, you want to know. The original brand. The original obetumi abua MPP amalia yenhwe saka any Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and then the koshia ya call declare your support the any constitution and pomo and anopabi
na sawosha omo a wondi abetodwa say omunya ombe contest for the flag bearer positions na at least we Dr. Baumia sin nchen yewo Dr. Yawosai Educhum or a certain MP Bosomche or Nemo Newo House or yewo Honorable Brian Agyapong or a certain MP Abetifi or Nemo Newo Fie ho yewo Honorable Ken Agyapong Muana Muo 8th Parliament and all the parliaments before no Namone Newo Fie ho in Tusha the only person he's had nothing to do with Parliament. Dr. Baumi, you name or more about later there. And why would MPs not support one of their own? Are they?
You Obi, but I see you. You went here, sorry, and yeah, wonderful. And your colleague necessary, I only know Parliament, I said any other. You can't Ghana Dutch, you can't Ghana Nimco. You can't open you with me a D or minor name now. One man Ghana, a cover be a person. But in following the colleagues, you will be women are qualified, women are Brana. That's a certain master cancer. So, when the professor for you ask or Mukoya Sora, women are a professor, a year back be decay. One more you will know. And this is a baby MPP party, Gina. Any baby a Ghana, you jira, say, Yay, MPC, your partners, I don't know, I say, I want to ask you, yes, 50 plus, no. Yet, the other say, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia is the best candidate for the party and the best person to lead the country as at now. And to see, assembly, Obi dey able to me Obi dey able to me next year, Obi dey able to me and another 5 years or 10 years time. But see here the MPP everything. No bet me aboabo dom na no bet me resource party no and the members no. ama yetimi anya ye flag bearer e fata na se no any do betumi edi part na ni so e di akoye enu ama ya victory na ye hwe no na di ya mamu papa na fufu ado start ya ye pese ye beto aso Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
How do you know say MP Samuko ho nyina no truly obi adwen mu na koma mu no odi Dr. Bawumia echi? Why are you so sure?
No obi ana me ka nipa na koye no ya ya force obi a o ana me ka say enya captive situation mu ana Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eni ni share enya captive situation. We were at the presence of Parliament. And yes, Dr. Bawumia Bawumia and will be asked to any Dr. Bawumia person water. Yes, free Parliament. Any year, so we mouse. And I had the call no doctor no office. Any Kukusiano. It will be comparable, will be for so. Yes, a wow to me, sorry. Na woni mpepere se yese sa nkomodie we na ebe kwa akokoso ewo baabi na wa wo tira wo ka mu na wo tu sa na mo no na wo ko na akotie bia se nya conviction bi nti na atimi action se nya gidie bi na wo nipa no na nipa kwa me koi but always it is going to come out to say my declare me support earlier man na me believe in him, we believe in his leadership. We believe in the good direction of the country now. Oh, sorry, now, it was voluntary. And then people want to about 1 year. Maybe what did you say? Obi Obaebi and the Kumuno or Didier Ewa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So only the right person for the party as at now and the country. So it will be the right person to move Ghana forward as at now. The Obi. As only as I say, we are for so we are no the part of sort of free and over Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia office. The Comono near the Obama TV. And the Nippon Sire Coco Pier, you call your call round, Bako, Mobia, Bonidi, and Obiaka, Gentia. What's all about? Any Mako, Obia to Namu to say, Gentia Waba demo is that he believes in Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. He believes in his leadership, the qualities, and he believes he's the right person for the MPP party as of now. Whatever we need to reform, to regroup, and rejuvenate the party, Obi Obaebi to the Numutu say, was I did Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? No, was I did say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the right person to provide the kind of leadership that the party needs right now. And what the country also needs to be able to advance the fortunes of our dear country, Ghana. That is why they were there, and they all spoke. And the Obi, I said, when you could see them all, and they all praying. And they all praying. Obi, baby, and Rana Jumohana will be sending, maybe say, Obi say, MPC 50. And while I'm sending the Pacono message, I hope that this is the fake message. And your fake message, a message will pass, also 50. But Modinia Bubo, a nipa 5, MPC 5. Bubo 5, the famame. But they come on Nipano, a while in the Pacono was done. Now, I'm sending the message, say 5 for the crowd, with 3 more mana easy. 1 mommy MPC 10, or so 50. 1 more nipa 10. Me no kasa we no be sending a list of MPs 10 there. I don't know.